The roar of engines, the screech of tires, and the unmistakable allure of sleek Japanese-designed vehicles once defined a global phenomenon known as the JDM, Japanese domestic market scene. This captivating movement began in the 1980s, rooted in Japan's economic prosperity and a cultural shift towards performance and innovation in automotive engineering. By the 1990s, the JDM scene had exploded in popularity, transcending Japan's borders to captivate car enthusiasts worldwide. However, as the 2020s approach their midpoint, the vibrant pulse of the JDM culture is fading, beset by evolving automotive trends and regulatory changes. The origins of the JDM scene are traced to Japan's post-war recovery and rapid industrial growth. As the nation's economy surged, so did its automotive industry. Manufacturers like Nissan, Toyota, and Mazda began producing high-performance vehicles that embodied Japan's engineering prowess. The Nissan Skyline GTR, Toyota Supra, and Mazda RX-7 emerged as flagship models, each boasting advanced technology and impressive performance figures. The 1980s saw the Nissan Skyline GTR R32 rise to prominence, with its 2.6-liter twin-turbocharged inline-six engine producing 276 brake horsepower. This powerhouse, paired with the revolutionary Atisa ETS all-wheel drive system, allowed the GTR to dominate the motorsport scene, earning the nickname Godzilla for its monstrous capabilities. It set the stage for future iterations and solidified its place in automotive lore. The Toyota Supra, particularly the A80 model introduced in the 1990s, further fueled the JDM fervor. Its 3.0-liter twin-turbocharged inline-six engine generated 320 brake horsepower, propelling it from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.6 seconds. The Supra's combination of raw power, precise handling, and a distinct design made it a favorite among tuners and car enthusiasts, immortalizing it in popular culture and film. Mazda's RX-7, with its unique rotary engine, added a different flavor to the JDM mix. The third-generation RX-7 FD featured a 1.3-liter twin-turbocharged rotary engine that delivered 276 brake horsepower, achieving a top speed of 160 miles per hour. Its lightweight construction and near-perfect balance made it a joy to drive, cementing its status as an icon of the JDM scene. As the JDM movement gained momentum, it found a passionate following overseas. Car enthusiasts in the United States, Europe, and beyond began importing these Japanese marvels, drawn by their performance, affordability, and tuning potential. The rise of aftermarket parts and modifications only fueled this obsession, leading to a thriving subculture that celebrated customization and personal expression through vehicles. However, the turn of the century brought challenges that would eventually herald the decline of the JDM scene. Stricter emissions regulations worldwide pressured manufacturers to adapt, often at the cost of performance. Iconic models like the GTR, Supra, and RX-7 struggled to meet these new standards without significant alterations, leading to their discontinuation or substantial redesigns. The advent of hybrid and electric vehicles marked a significant shift in the automotive landscape. Manufacturers, now focused on sustainability and environmental responsibility, began prioritizing eco-friendly technologies over traditional high-performance engines. This shift, while necessary, marked a departure from the ethos that defined the JDM scene: raw power, unbridled speed, and a focus on driver engagement. Economic factors also played a role in the JDM scene's decline. The global financial crisis of 2008 led to tightened budgets and shifting priorities for many car enthusiasts. The once affordable Japanese sports cars became harder to justify as daily drivers, with maintenance costs and fuel consumption becoming significant considerations in a more economically cautious world. Despite these challenges, the legacy of the JDM scene endures. Modern iterations of the GTR and Supra pay homage to their predecessors, blending advanced technology with the spirit of their forebears. Yet these modern marvels, laden with electronic aids and hybrid systems, often lack the raw, unfiltered driving experience that defined the golden age of JDM. The JDM scene's influence is still evident in contemporary car culture. Events like Tokyo Auto Salon and SEMA showcase the latest in Japanese automotive innovation and tuning. Online communities and social media continue to celebrate JDM classics, preserving the spirit and enthusiasm that once dominated the streets and tracks worldwide. In a world increasingly dominated by automation and electric powertrains, the JDM scene serves as a nostalgic reminder of a time when driving was about the visceral connection between man and machine. It was an era where performance, style, and personal expression converged in a unique automotive culture that left an indelible mark on car enthusiasts.